Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning back. So in today's video, we are going to talk about some facial kits that I've received from Nature's Essence. Now I've received a total of 5 kits. The first one is Flawless Papaya. The second one is Whitening Pearl. I'm sorry that my video is flipped. The third one is Gentle Fruit, which is good for sensitive skin. And the fourth one is Glowing Gold, and last but not the least is Brightening Diamond. Now, when you see these facial kits, these are very easy at home kits which can be easily used by you. Now, the best thing about all of these is these are 5 steps. One is common in all of these. I'm going to use this Flawless Papaya because I wanted to try the papaya one because I've heard a lot of good things. So the first thing in all of these kits is they are numbered. It's beautiful. The first one is the D10 therapy. Now this D10 is common in all of these kits. It's a very simple thing. You just put it on your face and keep it for about 15 minutes, and this will actually detan and get rid of all the gunk and tanning on your face. Now, I stay out in sun for a pretty long time because I am in sales, so sun damage is always there. So also I've just been recently back from Goa, so there is a lot of tanning that I wanted to get rid of. So I was excited to use this, and you would need a pretty good amount of this, but nevertheless, this each tube lasts you for up to 3 uses. So the whole facial kit can be used for 3 times. All you have to do with this first step is put it on your face in a nice thin layer and leave it on for 15 minutes. And once these 15 minutes are done, you can wash it off or wipe it off with a wet cloth. In my case, I took a wet cloth which was dipped in a hot water, as in a dry cloth dipped in a hot water, and then I wiped it off. And 15 minutes are up. Let's wipe it off. I'm using the makeup removing towel that I got from Miniso. This is a must have in your kitty if you are somebody who has to get rid of your gunk every night, cleanse your face, or even get rid of your makeup. It's a really good one. So it got rid of the tan really fast. I mean, 15 minutes for a detan, it's really, really good. My skin was not feeling dry at all. And it was not even moisturized, I would say, but it was nice. So post I remove that, I'm gonna use the first one, which is the cleanser. Now the cleanser is also something that you have to apply on your face, massage it for about 5 minutes, and then wash it off. So again, in my case, since I was in a hurry, I did not wash it off after every step. I actually kept it on and wiped it off with the towel. So when I was using my first step, that is the cleanser, I actually massaged this into my skin. And once I was done massaging, I did not remove it at all completely because I wanted a deep cleansing on my skin because I had a lot of blackheads, a lot of whiteheads, my pores were clogged, I was getting a few zits here and there. So I thought it'll be good to give it a good go. And once I have massaged my face really nice, all my massage strokes are upwards, if you can see. I'm going to back it up with the second step, which is nothing but an exfoliator. This exfoliator was nice. The scrubbies were not very sharp. Those were a little harsh, I would say, but I needed a deep exfoliation on my skin, so I was happy to use it. So I did use it over my cleanser without removing the cleanser off my face. You can actually remove the cleanser first and then go ahead with the exfoliator. So I'm going to do the same steps, like 5 minutes of massage with the exfoliator. I didn't take it for the whole 5 minutes because the scrubbies, as I said, are not very roundish. So it was better to get it off my skin really fast. So I just massaged it for 2.5, 3 minutes. and then I wiped it very nicely with a hot towel or a hot makeup removing towel that I had. And do not forget your neck. Your neck is also a house of a lot of dead skin. So this got rid of a lot of dead skin for me. And then I actually removed it off this particular jelly scrubber or the jelly exfoliator. The fragrance of all of these products, I must say, was not very, very strong, which is a good thing. Also, Nature's Essence itself is a brand which has very good skincare products, and whatever your need is, you would definitely find something in them. They are also having best and most potent natural ingredients and precisely extracted and blended by science into transformative and effective beauty solutions. You can find these easily available on Amazon, on Nykaa, and on Purple. So I'm gonna link everything down below in the description box so you can easily click them and find it out and buy it from there. So do check my description box below. Now, when you're using a scrub on your face and not washing it off, you really need to cleanse it or remove it with a towel really nicely, because these scrubbies actually kind of sit on your face for a pretty long time, and you would not want any scrubbies when you are going for the next step. So after patting my face dry, I'm going to use the third step, and the third step in this case is the cleansing balm, the massaging balm. So it is a nice cream. It's a very creamy texture. The cream is nice and thick. It moisturizes your face, brings back some health to your skin after the strong scrubbies that you've just used on your face. So I take a generous amount, and after taking this generous amount, I'm gonna heat it between my fingers. I'm just like warming it a little bit, and then put it all over my face and massage it on my face really nicely. I'm gonna take my time massaging this. I massaged this a little over 5 minutes. You can, depending on your needs, you can go for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, but I really wanted to actually moisturize my skin. My skin was really dehydrated. So I'm going to massage in circular upward motions throughout my face, my throat, my upper lip, and my forehead as well. And also do not forget the sensitive skin around your eyes. But remember, when you're doing your eyes, you have to use your ring finger, because that's the gentlest of all the fingers. So you don't want to pressure the sensitive skin around your eyes. So I'm gonna quickly get through this massage and enjoy this luxurious thick cream on my face. My face and my skin really felt nice and soft post this. But of course, after a rigorous massage, your face or your skin needs a little bit of tightening, and there comes the next step. But before that, ensure that you're nicely cleaning it off your face, because you would not want any kind of oils or creams on your face when you're putting in the face mask or the face pack that comes with as the last step of this facial kit. It's a nice at-home DIY facial kit that anybody can literally do. My skin is not very sensitive, but if you've got sensitive skin, do it with caution. I've got pretty good skin, and I don't get zits that often, so I was very generous by using it. Then I use this fourth step, which is nothing but the face pack. Now, face pack was also nice and quick drying, which is the best part. So I'm gonna apply it in a nice thin layer on my face, because I don't want a lot of drying on my face. So I was just quickly putting in on a thin layer. So the thicker the layer, the more drying any face pack for that matter is. So you have to be very careful for when you're applying this. So I applied, as I said, in a very thin layer. It did not take much time for me to for it to dry up on my face. So I quickly put it on my skin, left it on for about 5 minutes. It's supposed to be kept on for about 10 minutes, but I kept it on for only 5 minutes, and it was nice and dry. I don't want to keep it any further because of the tightening effect that I don't really appreciate. But nevertheless, it was a good pack. It actually gave my skin that nice taut feeling or youthful feeling after the pack. So you just put it on, and a very very simple pack, leave it on for about 5 minutes, 7 minutes till it's completely dry, and then just wipe it off. And do not forget your neck, because we a lot of time when we are doing a cleanup or even a facial at home, we forget our neck. So do apply nicely and evenly on your neck as well. And as I said, this is a really nice smelling product, so it would not bother you even if you are smell sensitive. It does not have that strong smell, so you can keep it on up for about 5 minutes, 10 minutes, as you like. Now let's come to the best part of this. Now, as I said, this facial kit lasts you for about 3 times if you are as generous as me. And for the 3 times, it costs only about 250 rupees for thrice. So that is a value for money product for sure. And as I said, I'm gonna link everything down below so you can check it out. So similar thing, if you want, you can wash it off with warm water, but what I did was I just dipped my cloth in warm water and wiped it off. It came off really easily. It was not one of those packs that kind of clings onto your skin or clings onto your pores or your dry spots. It did not do anything like that. It came off really easily, even with a cloth. So if you want to remove it with a cloth, good enough. If you want to wash it off, nothing like it. So once I've applied that, I did a nice serum post this, and I was done with my facial, and I was ready for my birthday. So yes, that was my facial right in front of you, and I hope you liked this video and enjoyed this. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, and also don't forget to subscribe. Guys, you're not subscribing to my channel, so do that. Turn that red button to gray, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Also, don't forget to check the description box below. I'm gonna put out all the details about all of these facials. And bye bye, I'm heading out for my party. See you in the next one.